We'll guide you through how to upload and share files on Google Drive. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Google Drive is a great place to go and upload and store your files, but as well as that, you can go and share them from there as well. So we're going to guide you through this step by step on how it can be done. You may go and have multiple files or just one, it doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how you can upload them and go and share them. Make sure there's full guide so you don't go and miss out on anything important. And without any further ado, let's go and get started. So go and open up a web browser of your choice. I go and use Chrome, but you could go and use Edge or whatever you use. Come to Google and we can then go and press the apps button in the top right. Of course, to go and use it, you do need a Google account. It's a Google service. So you can sign in the top right, but also press there and you can create an account if you don't already have one. Then you can go and press Drive, or you can go in the web address bar and type in drive.google.com. Then what you need to do is come to the top left and go and press on New, and we need to go and press New Folder. Now in here, you can go and give it a name. So I like to go and create folders just to go and keep everything organized. So what we can do here is I could go and type in GR video, and then we can go and press create. It'll then go and create it, as you can see, and you can double click on it to go and open it up. Now, what we can do is we can go and start uploading the files. So you can come to the top left and you can press on New and you can press File Upload. And then what you can do is go and find them. So your Computer File Explorer will open up and we can select them. So I'm going to click, hold and drag to select them. But you could also hold Control and just select the ones you want. I'll just click, hold and drag. We'll go and press Open. And as you can see, they're now uploading. You can see they're appearing here and you can go and see the progress in the bottom right here. Of course, the time this takes will depend upon the file size and the amount of them as well. And it should now pretty much gotten finished, as you can see. So now they're in your Google Drive and you can access them on other computers. But what we can also do is go and share them. What I like to do is go and share the entire folder, but you can also go and share specific files as well. If you want to share a specific file, hover over it and press the three dots in the top right, hover over share and press share. It's the same process as doing a folder. Click on the folder and we can hover over share and press share. And this menu opens up the same as a file. So what you can do is go and add specific people, groups, spaces, or calendar events at the top by typing them in and then you can go and add them. Or you can go and create a link. So you can go and have it restricted and only people with access who you add at the top can, or press restricted and you can change it to anyone with the link. You can then choose what permissions they have, viewer, commenter, or editor. And you can then go and press copy link and go and press done. Then you can go and give that link to people. Alternatively, you can go and invite them by adding in their email at the top and you can go and choose what access they can go and have. If you found this useful, then leave a like.